Vanakkam to all the dignitaries on the stage and in the audience. May I make one request? All those doctors who received the apron, can they please come inside? Those who are outside, students, dignitaries on the stage, and the audience that have gathered here in this new building, the new seminar hall of the Sona Medical College of Pharmacy and Yoga. Naturopathy and Yoga. You may all be wondering or anxious to know, why did I bring out those sounds? Om. I am not a Swamiji. I don't intend to be one. But I need to give a small background to this. As my very dear, young, energetic friend Mr. Tyagu said, my mother gave me birth on the 4th of March 1954 in a place called Hubli in Karnataka state. On the 24th of May 1993, I had my rebirth in this place. And the person who gave me the rebirth was Dr. Arthanari, who is sitting here, and the Gokulam Hospital. So it is a matter of great pride, privilege, love, affection for me to come to Salem and to be amidst all my brothers and sisters. And the Valiyappa group, more so Mr. Tyagu, being a very, very dear friend, said I must be here today. After I suffered the bullet injury, the first tracheostomy was done in the Gokulam Hospital. I survived because of that tracheostomy. Because of the bullet hit my neck, went through my trachea, that is the windpipe, and landed in my lungs. And I was hospitalized for almost 6 months with 6 major surgeries. 60 inches of my body was stitched. Name the surgery required for the cardiothoracic region: tracheostomy, thoracotomy, jejunostomy, plastic surgery, reconstructions. I went through all that. While being in the hospital, my 2 vocal cords were damaged. I could not speak for 4 to 4.5 months. While lying on the bed in the St. John's Hospital, a police officer walked into my room. I can never ever forget him. He was a police officer who joined as a sub-inspector and had reached the rank of a DIG in the Karnataka State Reserve Police. His name is Fakirappa Shetter. He told me, your voice will come back. You don't have to worry. All that you need to do is keep repeating, So I went on going through this exercise. The exercise for my vocal cords. This exercise has been written thousands and thousands of years back. And today I am able to speak to you with my full voice. I can even go out on the parade ground and command a big parade. I owe this to both allopathy, which was an emergency requirement, and to naturopathy and yoga, that I am able to stand on my 2 feet at the age of 68, fully confident, raring to go, can swim 2 kilometers at a stretch, play 18-hole golf, and do anything that I want to do. I am stressing on this because naturopathy and yoga are actually the mother to allopathy. A lot of research has been done by allopathy to provide instant and immediate care. And most of it was developed through the study of our ancient scriptures. And we must feel extremely proud and happy that the world, India has given naturopathy and yoga to the world. Whole across the world, today, yoga is a buzzword. Naturopathy is a buzzword. A very simple instance I'll tell you. At the time of COVID, I have undergone 5 times COVID test, RT-PCR. One of the best things that was advised to me was steam inhalation thrice a day. Just inhale the steam in the morning, and if you get time in the evening, and do a salt water gargle. A very, very simple step. It totally changes you. Just keep drinking warm water. It totally changes your health. All this philosophy has come to us from ages. Somewhere, somehow, we had lost track of it. But today the world is beginning to recognize it, and I'm extremely happy for the Valiappa group. And more so to dear sir, congratulations on your wedding anniversary. You're raring to go more and more. And to my friend Mr. Tyagu and Mrs. Tyagu who are here, for bringing me to this place and to see this wonderful campus. And can you imagine, Tyagu is a 2020 player, T20 player, and his father is a test player. Within 100 days they have got this whole thing done. It is a combination of 2020 cricket and a test cricket. Such a magnificent campus in a matter of 100 days. I was actually spellbound. As I was coming into this place, senior Mr. Valiappa and Madam were entering into this place. And Mr. Tyagu was there at the entrance. I was totally moved. He bent his back, touched their feet, and took their ashirwad, their blessings. This is what is culture. This is what is our strength. To learn to respect the elders, to remember them, to hold their hands and give them support when they are in their advanced ages. Today, you 40 people have joined the Sona Medical College of Naturopathy and Yoga. You have come into a new campus. You have all been given a white coat, a white apron on the stage today. This white apron, the white coat that you wear is not for fashion. With this white coat brings in a lot of responsibility to you from today onwards. You need to be disciplined. You are the most fortunate youth, I must say, not compared to my generations or the earlier generations. We had to fight many battles to reach wherever we are. But today, opportunities are in plenty for you. You have such a wonderful institution. You have got an emblem, the Sona emblem on your chest today inscribed. This is an emblem not just for being in this college. This is an emblem for your life. When you proceed from this institution to the outside world, your conduct should be such a way that you uphold this emblem and the flag of the Valiappa group, because this is one which has given you a path to future life. And I am extremely happy that I am a part of this gathering today, to be amidst you all, to rejoice the entrepreneurship, the dedication, the commitment, conviction of my friend and his family. Sir, I wish you all the best. I know how well the Sona group of institutions are being run. This will be an additional feather in your cap. You will leave the footprints for generations and generations to come. This institution will grow from strength to strength. And I am so proud and happy that I have got this golden opportunity to be amidst you all and to share a few of my thoughts. I would like to go on for more and more, but so I conclude and wish you all the best. May you succeed in your lives with good health and happiness. I was a police officer in uniform, khaki uniform, for 35 long years. I enjoyed my uniform because that uniform brought in me a sense of discipline and responsibility. But post-retirement, that was my Purvashram, my earlier life, but now I am heading a hospital as the chief executive. And as per the government directions, all the COVID warriors, I am considered to be one COVID warrior. We are all given vaccination, Covishield prepared by the Serum Institute of India from Pune. In fact, other Poonawala is also personally known to me. So I took the shot on 25th of January. I asked my doctor, will there be any reaction? What should I do and all that? He said, you wait half an hour here. After that, you can go. I asked him, can I go and play golf? 4.5 hours or 5 hours of walking, 10 kilometers in the hot sun. He said, you can go and play. So COVID vaccine, in my opinion, is extremely safe. People who are trying to peddle disinformation, you should keep it away. It has been done with a lot of research. And I am sure very soon the COVID vaccine will be available for the whole of the country and to everybody. And India has set an example to the whole world in the way in which it has fought COVID. Such a big country, so many languages, so many governments, so much of diversity. Despite that, we as a society have come together to fight against the pandemic when very, very advanced countries are walking on their knees to control this. So we must be very, very proud of our society, our heritage and our whole environment, that we as a country are supposed to be one of the strongest today. And you as ambassadors of the Sona Medical College of Naturopathy and Yoga should carry the message of India's goodness, greatness across the world. I am sure many of you will go abroad, set up studios, yoga studios, naturopathy studios, and succeed in your lives. But one thing, please remember your parents. Please remember, just now you have seen how the vice chairman deals with his parents. In the same way, you may get educated, your parents may be poor. Your mother may not be healthy, she may not be beautiful, but your mother is mother. In the same way, Sona Medical College is like mother. Anytime and every time you think of your mother, when she needs your help, you must be there volunteering to help. So wish you all the best. Thank you, Mr. Tegu, for this opportunity.